Can you imagine a future where AI-powered robots roam the fields, tending crops and livestock, while human workers oversee operations from a control room? Welcome to a new era of farming, where artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing the agricultural industry. The once labor-intensive field is transforming into a high-tech operation, promising improved efficiency and productivity. Imagine tractors that drive themselves, drones that monitor crop health, and robots that pick fruits. These aren't just fanciful dreams, but are on the brink of becoming everyday realities. But what does this mean for our farmers, our agricultural workers, our recent BSc graduates? It signals a shift in job roles. The focus is moving away from manual labor towards more technical, supervisory roles. We're talking about jobs that involve overseeing complex AI systems, interpreting data, and making strategic decisions. This may sound like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but it's a reality that's rapidly unfolding in the agricultural industry. Consider the case of precision agriculture, a farming management concept that uses AI to monitor and optimize crop growth. Now, imagine a field, not just any field, but a field of the future, one that employs artificial intelligence to ensure optimum productivity. Here's how it works. AI-powered drones, like silent sentinels in the sky, soar over the field, collecting invaluable data on weather conditions. They capture key details such as humidity, temperature, rainfall, and wind speed, which are critical in determining the growth and health of crops. Meanwhile, on the ground, sensors, almost invisible to the naked eye, are busy at work. They delve deep into the soil, examining its quality, determining its nutrient content, moisture levels, and even its pH balance. These sensors also keep a close watch on the health of the crops, detecting signs of disease or pest infestation. This wealth of data collected by the drones and sensors is then analyzed by agricultural professionals. Equipped with this information, they can make informed decisions about when to plant, how much to fertilize, and the ideal time to harvest. It's an intricate dance of data, technology, and human expertise, all working in harmony to maximize crop yield. In this scenario, the role of the farmer is transformed from a manual laborer to a data analyst and decision maker.